Assalamu alaikum friend. Today our story is about cleanliness and worksheet also available in the description. See the link. Thank you very much. One sunny morning, little Ali woke up with a big smile. He was excited because today his mother promised to teach him something very important. How to use the bathroom like a good Muslim. Come Ali, said Mama, holding his hand. Today we learn the Sunnah way. Ali tilted his head. Sunnah way? What's that? Mama smiled. It's how our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us to stay clean. First step, enter the left foot. Mama stopped it at the bathroom door. Before going in, say Bismillah and step in with your left feet. Ali giggled. Why left feet? Because the right foot is for clean places, like the masjid, Mama explained. Second step, the magic dua. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. Inside, Mama taught Ali a special prayer. Ali repeated it, feeling like a brave knight, saying a magic spell. Third step, the cleanliness rule. Mama showed Ali how to use water to wash properly. Always use your left hand for cleaning and wash 3 times to make sure everything is clean. Ali nodded seriously. No germs allowed. Always wash your hand with the soap after. Fourth step, exit like a Muslim. After washing up, Mama said, now step out with your right foot and say Ghufranaka. Ali did just that. Feeling proud, Mama, I did it the Sunnah way. Mama hugged him. Yes, my little explorer. And remember, cleanliness is the half of faith. Moral of the story? Learning the right way to use the bathroom keep us clean and make Allah happy. When we follow the Sunnah, even small acts become acts of worship. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.